Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new lesson 4, algorithms and flowchart. Algorithms and flowcharts are very important because to create a program in any languages like C, C++, Java, or even last year we learned the Scratch, we need a logic. If you want to know the logic behind each computer languages, we should know algorithm and flowcharts. It will make easy work to write a coding. Let us start. Here, students, can you think of a day in your life that goes without a problem solving? The answer to this question is no. Every day you perform various activities such as buying stationery, packing the school bag, polishing the shoes, and doing homeworks, etc. If you think from morning, there are many work we will do. So before we do, surely we will plan. If a regular day of course Monday means, then you will think, oh, today school is there, and what are the timetable, you put it there and you put it in the bag, and you are ready for to go to school. Then van will come, cab will come, you go and you reach school, and it is going on. Each day you will plan. All these activities involves a series of steps in a sequential order to get a desired output. So why we are planning? All the activities we are doing according to our plan or step by step. Okay, this we have to do first, this we have to do first to get a desired output. Now, let us write down the steps that you should follow to brush your teeth. The process of brushing the teeth. Some are laughing now. Why? Because just it is a routine every day, knowingly or unknowingly we are doing, because waking up with the half closed or half open eyes, you will go and brush, and properly we don't know. We do the same work. But if you think about the algorithm or flow chart or the logic behind or steps behind process of brushing the teeth, it is quite long. We will see. First one, take your brush from the shelf. Turn on the tap of the wash basin. Rinse the brush and turn off the tap. Apply toothpaste on the brush. Start brushing your teeth. Clean the brush and rinse your mouth. Take the tongue cleaner. Clean your tongue. Rinse your mouth again. Finally, you get the desired result. So what is our desire? That is the desired result. That is shiny white teeth and clean mouth. See here. So to get the shiny and white teeth and clean mouth, this is the result output. So you are doing all the long step. Take your brush, turn on tap, rinse your brush, apply to the toothpaste, start brushing, clean your brush, take your tongue, clean your tongue, rinse your mouth again, and finally you get. So how long it is? 7 or 8 steps you are doing, knowingly or unknowingly. Okay, so this is the result. Now you will see process. Similarly, you give instruction to a computer to perform a specific task. Even for computer also, if you press the key A, then in the monitor will show only A only. So this is output. It is instructed. You give the instruction to computer. Example, if you press Ctrl plus P, you will get the options of print. Ctrl plus Z, undo. So it is already instructed to get a specific task. The set of these instructions written in a stepwise sequence is called program or computer programming. Once again, a set of these instructions written in a stepwise sequence is called program or computer programming. If you want to take a print out of a document, then what to do? You want to open a document file in the computer. Then you have to set the page. Is it A4 size? If it is a legal size, and the alignment, border, everything. And in a document there are many pages. If I want only current page, so these all settings you do, then you go to get a printout. That is why it is the set of these instructions written in a stepwise sequence is called a program or computer programming. We'll continue. If a programmer forgets to place some instruction or writes the instructions in a wrong sequence or does not know how to perform, what will happen? The process manually. Then what will happen? The computer will produce a wrong result. Error. You see here, error. See here, error. So here, suppose I don't think that you will write like this one in the mathematics, how it is, plus is equal to then 1 2. That means you think about I want to add 1 and 2 and get the result. Will you write like that? Plus is equal to 1 2? No, never. How you will write? Yeah, of course. 1 plus 2 is equal to, then here you will write the answers. So there is an order. If you write wrongly, then you will get the wrong output. You may get output, you may not get output. If you get output means that may be wrong. Algorithm. Let us see what is an algorithm and its rules. To solve any problem on a computer, we need to analyze and understand the nature of the problem. So we have to understand what is the nature of the problem, effective, quickness, and definiteness, algorithm, output. So we should know what is the nature of the problem. We plan the input and apply the required method step by step to get the desired result. Okay, again, step by step. The main point is step by step and desired result. This step by step procedure, see here. So here, the step by step procedure to solve any logical and mathematical problem is called an algorithm. So this is very important. You have to underline what is an algorithm, what is the definition of algorithm. The step-by-step procedures to solve any logical and mathematical problem is called algorithm. Okay, so this is the fact file. It is written about the person who found or who invented this algorithm. See here, you can read there. Okay, who it is a fact file. This is the person who invented algorithm. Okay, now we will going to see what are the rules for the writing an algorithm. Okay, see here, algorithm. While writing an algorithm, the following rules should be followed. What is the first one? We'll see. An algorithm should be written in English-like language. See here, the algorithm should be write in any one language like English or Kannada or Hindi. Okay, otherwise without knowing, simply if you are writing means no meaning at all. Algorithm should be write in any one language. We'll see second one. It should be written in a simple and precise manner so that everyone can understand. Next one. An input is required to write an algorithm. If some input is needed, if I want to eat something means then we have to prepare. So that is an input. So input is compulsory to get or required to write an algorithm. Next rule. Yeah, it is very clear. Each step should be written in a sequential manner. Sequential manner. So here, if I'm going to take a lunch. So what you will do? First you will wash your plate, then you will eat, and then you will wash your hand. Is it? No. First you will wash your hand, then open the tiffin box, then after eating you will clean the box. So there is an order, sequential manner. See here, step 1, step 2, step 3 is going on sequential order. And then one can include variables and define mathematical expressions to calculate the result. Variables already we learned last year. So what is a variable? And we can use the mathematical expression for what? To calculate and to get the result, everything. Now, statement. The statement that are of similar type should be combined to avoid a lengthy code. Simple example, if you have a book having a story, it is just written only sentences. Another book is there, same story with images. So which one will prefer? With that picture itself you can understand the story. So similar one, you're repeating the same thing, you can avoid the lengthy code. Then next code you will see. Each instruction should be executed within a reasonable time frame. So I want to pass from 8th standard. Time is there. Next year we will see. Is it possible? Time limit is 8th standard. When is the annual exam? Before that I want to learn and appear for the exam. I will pass it. Otherwise next year, still how many years? No, the time limit you should solve in the time frame. To ensure that an algorithm produces an expected output, it should be checked using sample values. Example, yes, I want to pass from 8th standard. So there will be a first test, second test, third test. I know you are laughing now. You are so happy also because online class, no test, nothing else. Zero year. Correct? No, zero education area. All will pass. Okay, whatever it is. Okay. So there will be an input. You give a sample of input. Good. Finite order list of steps. And you will get the output. It should be checked using sample values. We have to see first test this much, second test this much, half yearly this much. So in the annual exam I make it like this. Correct, like this. Result